Today I just have a short video. Having heard my Sulcata tortoise during this really big snowstorm, had about a week ago. Most of the snow has melted, but he's had to be in the house for a while now, so I just wanted to show you a few things about that. And also, my GoFundMe is still going, a couple more weeks on that. Muncie's Mission, if you have a soft spot for animals, please check it out. Hopefully you could donate. If not, hopefully you can spread the word to everybody you know. I am just trying to get some money together so I can start this sanctuary for research lab animals. It's a really good cause. It's very, very important. Especially to the animals that I would be rescuing. And also I have a website, munciesmission.com. It has more information, and it has some artwork that I have made that you can purchase, perhaps for Christmas presents. It's a bottleneck. Herb is considering his options and making the right choice. This is Herb's second morning in the house. Herb's finally getting up. It's about 7:30 or 8. No power overnight. Sunny today, so we'll have power here real soon. So, okay, so Herb has been in the house for several days, probably 3 or so by now, and yesterday he really wanted out. I don't think he realizes just what is out there. What I'm gonna do here a little bit now, and then I'll let the sun just clear off this little tiled area in front of the house. He likes to come out here and sit on those warm tiles. The sun warms him up really nicely. So I'm thinking if I clear that off, that might make him feel better, and you'll get some direct sun that way, and maybe be a little bit less antsy to go and explore, because there's no way that he should be out here in this world. It didn't take long. The sun had melted a lot of the underneath snow and ice. So I made walls out of the snow to keep Herb in. A little spot there low for Pepita to get out. And so I'm going to wait for it to get warmer, because it's windy and cold out still. And get this dried off. Then see if Herb wants to come out here and sunbathe.